This enhancement enables you to copy-paste the Koha patron permissions from one library staff member to another. So lots of libraries have got something called user provisioning, where Koha is automatically creating users for you in Koha, which is great, but that doesn't actually set any permissions. In order to, if you've got a new member of staff in the library team that's joined, you will need to manually give them permission so that they can log into the staff client. They're a bit onerous if you have lots of new people you're onboarding to the library team and you need to set permissions for every person. Now you can speed that up by going to an existing library staff member and viewing the permissions they have. And we've got two new options now. We've got copy settings and paste settings. If I copy settings on this Sam Hawkins permissions page, then I can go to other patron permission pages for my new people, and I can click paste settings, and everything of all the checkboxes, all the permissions will be copied over for me without me having to go for and individually check the correct checkboxes. If you click copy settings here for Sam Hawkins, come back to this page every time. So if I was adding, say, 10 new library staff members, I would click copy settings once for Sam Hawkins, and then I'd go to those 10 different pages and just paste, paste, paste. I don't have to return to Sam Hawkins again. It's kept held within my paste buffer.